All right, guys, Grok just dropped yet another massive feature in their new voice model lineup. I am talking about Grok Voice Cloning. Yes, you heard me right. With this new update, you can create a nearly 100% identical digital clone of your own physical voice. Just listen to this.
Nice to meet you, Jane. How can I help? Okay, let me make sure that I got that right. Is that jane.doe@gmail.com? Is that spelled jane.doe@gmail.com? Let me go ahead and send an authentication code to that email. One sec.
Nice to meet you, Jane. How can I help? Okay, let me make sure that I got that right. Is that jane.doe@gmail.com? Is that spelled jane.doe@gmail.com? Let me go ahead and send an authentication code to that email. One sec.
I mean, look at that. It sounds almost identical. It captures the tone, the pitch, everything. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use this brand new option to clone yourself in just a couple of minutes. So first things first, you need to head over to console.x. Once you are logged into the dashboard, look over at the left sidebar. You're going to see a voice tab. Click on that, and right inside, you will find an option called Voice Library. This is the secret vault where all the voice cloning magic actually happens. When you open it up, you're going to see two main options at the top: custom voice and built-in voice. For this tutorial, make sure you have custom voice selected. Now, simply click on that big clone voice button. It's going to ask you for a few basic details. First, type in a name for your voice. I'm literally just typing my voice, and then select your language. Guys, they actually have a ton of different language options here, which is huge. Once that's set, click on begin recording and then hit continue. Now, normally you hear my professional channel host voice on these videos, but to actually verify and build this clone, I have to use my raw, real, everyday speaking voice. So let's switch gears and start the recording process. The system will pop up a few random words on the screen. All you have to do is speak these words loudly and clearly. Once you read the words, click continue. Next, it's going to ask you to speak a few full sentences or a short paragraph just to verify your voice's natural cadence and rhythm. Just read it out normally.
Thank you for calling support. I can see your account has been updated. Let me walk you through the next step so we can get everything sorted out for you as quickly as possible.
All right, once you finish reading, simply click on Submit Recording. Now the AI takes over. It starts constructing your digital vocal cords in the background. Once it finishes processing, you need to set up a few quick parameters to help the AI out. It asks for gender, so I'll select male. Then you just punch in your age and your general tone of voice. After that, simply hit Start Using Your Voice. Now, at this point, the platform is going to throw a ton of options at you to start building a full-blown AI voice agent. I'm going to skip all of that for now. Why? Because I already made a massive, super detailed masterclass video specifically on building Grok voice agents. I'll link it on the end screen, so don't worry about that right now. Just click skip for now. And here we are. This is the playground where you can finally test out your brand new clone. Make sure you select your newly created custom voice from the drop-down menu and then simply hit the talk icon. Let's give it a quick test. I'm going to type, "Hi Grok, how are you?" Wait a second and let the AI play the response.
I'm doing great, always ready to chat. How about you? What's on your mind today?
Bro, it literally just replied in my own voice. Man, this is crazy. Okay, let's push it a bit further. I'll ask, "Tell me about your voice agent and how it is actually working." Play the AI's longer response.
Sure, I'd be happy to explain. I listen to your voice, process what you're asking, and use my built-in knowledge plus a few special tools when needed to get accurate, up-to-date answers. Those tools let me search the web, check X for the latest discussions, or look up specific info like appointment times. Then I turn my thoughts into natural spoken words and send them right back to you so it feels like a real conversation.
Okay. Honestly, the accuracy is terrifyingly good. Now, I will admit it sounds a tiny bit stiff, almost like I am reading a script, but to be totally fair, that is 100% my fault. I just randomly speed ran the recording process to test the feature and make this video for you guys. If you actually take your time and speak naturally during the setup, the result is surprisingly smooth and organic. Oh, and one more awesome thing before we wrap up. Inside this dashboard, there is also a dedicated text-to-speech option. You can literally just paste an entire YouTube script or a voiceover script into the box, and it will convert the text using your cloned voice. It is a fantastic option if you don't feel like recording audio one day, but still want your videos to sound like you. Guys, the Grok voice updates are coming in hot and fast. If you want to know exactly how to use this cloned voice to build a fully automated customer calling AI agent, I highly recommend watching the video currently popping up on your end screen right now. I break down the entire Grok voice agent update in super detail. Go clone yourselves, have some fun with it, and as always, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.